This episode of the Kill Innovations podcast is brought to you by listeners like you. You can become a supporter by visiting shop.philmckinney.com and making a contribution. Your support helps defray the cost to produce, host, and stream the show. As always, any profits are donated to charities such as hackingautism.org. I'm Phil McKinney, and welcome to Season 11 of the Kill Innovations podcast, a show about ideas, creativity, and innovation. For many innovators, making a splash through social media is the subject of long thought and a lot of trial and error. On the other hand, innovators like Elon Musk tend to have the Midas touch when it comes to combining innovation and their social media. As an example, on March 30th, Elon made a vague announcement via Twitter that Tesla Motors was coming out with a new product, and it wasn't a car. Now, within hours, Entrepreneur Magazine had already published an article, and they encouraged people to guess what the product was all about. And the retweets and favorites both surpassed 3,000. Tesla shares rose in response to the announcement, which gained the attention of CNBC and other news outlets. It is amazing how much can be learned about an innovator's style and thought process from the confines of Twitter. So, I've put together my personal list of 12 principles of innovation Elon Musk displays in 140 characters or less. Number 1. Quality drives innovation. One of Musk's latest projects is the Tesla Gigafactory. It has garnered several tweets as well as a Flickr post. Batteries for electric cars must be high quality, and that need is driving Elon and Tesla to build, quote, the largest footprint manufacturing facility in the world, end quote. Innovative cars need quality batteries, and quality batteries drive innovative manufacturing, and the cycle goes on. Number 2, create the curve. Innovators are always trying to get ahead of the curve, create new products that people need before the rest of the market fills that need. For great innovation to occur, you need more than just a good imagination and an entrepreneurial spirit. You need to engage culture in such a way that the curve naturally follows you. As evidenced by Musk's recent tweet and the buzz it generated, there are ways to use your innovative processes to move ahead of your industry, so that you're no longer trying to find the curve, you are creating the curve. Number 3, relationships are key to innovation. On April 6th, Elon Musk welcomed Formula One racer to Tesla Motors. Relationships are essential to building innovative companies and products. In the fast-paced environment of the 21st century, no single innovator can know it all or go it alone. Bringing unique individuals with varying experiences onto the innovation team is absolutely essential. Number 4, just the right information. If Elon Musk had announced the actual product, the name, the category, or other essential information in his new product tweet, then the discussion would be if Tesla would be able to fulfill its product goals. Controlling information gives you the ability to control the conversation, and more importantly, the attitudes about your innovative products and services. These attitudes can affect their success. Number 5, keep your core values in focus. One of Elon's recent humorous tweets was, quote, really should be the rule that oatmeal raisin cookies can't look too much like chocolate chip, end quote. The point of this tweet is that food should look like what it is, and innovators are the same way. Your core values and processes, the commitments, the passions which make you unique are too important to look like any other innovator. Be yourself. Number 6, keep innovating. Don't be afraid to branch out into unknown territories in the process. Solar City, spaceships, manufacturing, electronic cars, and more are all developments Elon is currently engaged in. Not only is he continuously innovating, but Tesla Motors is also expanding out of their single product focus. It's no longer just about cars for them. yet no one is surprised or concerned. Tesla is known for innovating, so the announcement that yet another brand new development was coming brings anticipation and excitement, with almost no worry that he's getting ahead of himself. Number 7, read. Musk reads a lot of science fiction books. Although the genre of books is not as important to different industries, the important thing is to read. Read about your industry, about other innovators, and about principles to make your life better. But also about things seemingly unrelated to your work. You never know where inspiration will come from. Number 8, have fun with your innovations. An Easter egg or a bit of innocuous code or text added to a program entirely for entertainment is hidden somewhere in the code of Tesla's cars. Innovation is serious, but should also be fun. Number 9, be involved in politics. Tesla Motors has an innovative direct sales process for their cars, and there are plenty of lobbyists and car dealerships who aren't happy with that. Elon Musk's Twitter account is full of comments about the company's engagement in state politics to ensure they can stay in business. Just as a side note, so far the sales process is banned in 5 states. Your innovations are big enough, there's a good chance that you're going to run into political and legal resistance, and it's important to stay involved and engaged. And number 10, explore a little. From artificial intelligence to mammoths, Musk makes the habit of imagining how the world can be a better place through wild leaps in technology, and also thinking through the consequences of technological innovations. Not everything you think about has to or should be your core competency. You should be constantly expanding your horizons. Number 11, keep yourself engaged through humor. Often, innovative minds are constantly engaged in planning and analyzing and creating. We can be a pretty boring group. Especially when leading an innovation team, you need to take time to joke about your thought process, as shown by Elon Musk's March tweet. Quote, "The rumor that I'm building a spaceship to get back to my home planet of Mars is totally untrue." End quote. As innovators, it takes energy to be engaged all the time, and self-depreciating humor can take the edge off those long hours and stressful team engagements. And number 12, don't capitalize on everything. Another March tweet informed anyone who is listening that all of SpaceX's photos are available via Creative Commons license. This has been further updated to a Creative Commons Attribution 2.0 generic license. For innovators, the temptation is often to find a way to make money off of everything of value you bring to the world. But sometimes, it's just better to focus on the actual value you bring. It's better for PR and frees your company and innovative teams to focus on what really matters. Now, as someone who has spent time with Elon, I consider him one of the most creative, innovative, and high-energy persons I've ever met. This makes him someone I follow, and his Twitter feed is one way I glean innovation tips from him. My advice to you, find someone who you admire and use their social media stream as a way to learn and apply their approach to your efforts. If you enjoyed today's show, you can subscribe to the podcast on iTunes, YouTube, Spreaker, or wherever you find your favorite podcast. You can find all the links and resources for this episode, along with every other episode going back to 2005 at philmckinney.com. Just click on podcast. I would love to hear your feedback, such as your thoughts on the new format for the show, topics you would like covered, or any questions you might have. Ping me on Twitter at philmckinney, all one word, or you can find me over on LinkedIn and Facebook. You can find all the links where I hang out on social media at philmckinney.com. This podcast is a work of passion. It's my way to pay back the time and energy an early mentor invested in my career. His ask of me was to pay it forward, and my ask of you is to pay it forward by helping others know about the podcast, such as posting a comment on iTunes, sharing a show on Facebook, or simply sending an email to someone who you think might enjoy the content. As always, thanks for listening.